Well, what are you most comfortable sharing on social media generally?
I share a lot of things that I read.
You read?
I don't get it because everyone gets surprised at the fact that I read.
Guys, I'm very nervous. Why? Because I'm on my way to pick up everyone's current crush. So I thought I should do all my Nexa Invicto checks before I meet him. Panoramic sunroof. Yeah, let's open it. Temperature control check. So checks all done. Now about my guest. He's hot. He's won a lot of love for his work. He'll call me beige, class, guilty. He's very on trend when it comes to fashion. And he's also got a first name that you're not likely to forget in a hurry. I'm Janice Sequeira. This is Nexa on the road. And let's go pick up Gurfateh Pirzada. Hi Gurfateh.
Hi Janice, how are you?
I'm Janice. I'm going to be driving you around. Welcome to Nexa on the road.
Okay.
Alright, Gurfateh, first of all, it's a pleasure having you. But I want to ask you right now, when I told my friends and all the girls on the team that we're shooting with you, a lot of them were very we want to come to set. What's it like being everyone's favorite man crush right now?
I think I would obviously want to be known for my work more than my looks. But looks is not too bad. I'll take that. Yeah.
So if I opened your social media,
I knew this was
what
coming.
are the kind of DMs I'm likely to see?
There's actually a lot of things. There's these pickup lines, of course, because for some reason everyone just wants me to take my t-shirt off nowadays.
You recently did an ad in which you're pretty much topless.
Yeah, I mean I kind of love that too. Why not? You got to push the boundaries somehow.
What are the kind of pickup lines people are using on
अब
you
वो
right
मैं
now?
यहाँ पे थोड़ी बताऊंगा.
कहाँ बताओगे?
वो तो फिर मैं वहीं पे जवाब दे दूंगा अगर किसी को देना है तो.
How many years has it been now that you've been in Bombay?
I was 18 when I moved to Bombay.
What's your favorite thing about the city?
I think the favorite thing about the city has to be that everyone's hustling. Also, you can just do whatever you want to do.
What is Mumbai like for people who want to become actors and people who are not innately from this industry?
I mean, it's tough. There's
Yeah.
no doubt about that. It's extremely hard. I remember I was a part of 20, 30 odd different audition groups, and there'd be 500 people in one group. I remember doing jobs for $100 a change and doing 100
$100 a
changes.
change?
Yeah, $100 a change and doing 100 changes so that I make 10,000 that day.
For someone like you now who's on his way to becoming more and more established, how do you keep yourself motivated between projects and between acting gigs?
You can't always be motivated, one. And second, the part and parcel of acting is living life and going through its motions so that you can portray life better on screen. So the idea of being constantly driven again takes you away from being that human being. So I feel like now I think I'm just enjoying, yeah.
We're celebrating 25 years of Fashion Week. So do you have a core memory of being at Fashion Week?
I do. I think that was my last show as a model, which was for Kunal Rawal. It was an insane show. And I think that for me was a great farewell sort of moment because in my head I knew that, okay, this is it.
Wow, so 9 years ago is when you were on the ramp last, approximately.
As a model, yes.
Okay, we're going to do a segment called Car Confessions. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions and answer whatever comes to your mind.
Let's go.
What's the weirdest thing you've done in a car?
Well, I wish I was that wild in life. Yeah, I'm very vanilla, but I think what weirdest thing I must have done in car? I've probably thrown up outside of a car.
Okay, one car feature that you absolutely need when you're on a road trip.
CarPlay to play my music and a nice sunroof, or a moonroof or whatever.
Okay, what's a talent of yours that most people actually don't know about?
I used to be a cricketer and also I'm a very good horse rider.
One celebrity whose style you'd like to steal?
Ranveer Singh, when he used to really push the boundaries. I think that was great. I think you should do that again.
Something that you have on you all the time, that you're always carrying, you don't leave your house without.
My lip balm.
Someone who enjoys reading. What is a book that you think everyone should read?
Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. I think it's one of the best books I've read.
And on that note, we've reached your destination.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you.